Hi everybody and welcome again to another video. I'm Paula and today we'll be talking about daily routines in Portuguese. I will walk you through the main sentences you can use to talk about your day today. So let's jump right to it. Let's get started. Toda manhã eu me acordo, escovo os dentes, me exercito, tomo banho, preparo o café da manhã, tomo o café da manhã, me visto para o trabalho, vou trabalhar, vou ao banheiro, trabalho, almoço, largo do trabalho, dirijo para casa, assisto TV, janto, tomo outro banho. Brazilians take usually 2 showers a day. If you ever lived in Brazil, you know it's pretty hot. It can be pretty hot, so it's just a common cultural thing. Vou dormir ou vou pra cama. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video today and I'll see you in our next video. Ciao!